Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make video related to the writing task 2. As many of the students have certain doubts in their minds regarding task 2, that from where they need to start with the task. Okay, so it is a very important video for the beginners. So I would recommend you all to just watch the video till end. Okay, do not skip in between. So let's start with task 2. Okay, so what is the word limit for task 2? So you can write from 250 words to 290 words. Okay, this is a word limit for task 2. Okay, so let's take an example. So I would write a question and then we'll discuss each and everything in brief. Spoken communication is always more powerful than written communication. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay, so guys, this is our question. So we will discuss each and everything in detail. So it's a very important video for the beginners. So I'll tell you how to make the introduction part. Okay, so let's talk about introduction. So what things you need to mention in the introduction? Mainly in introduction you need to mention three things. So what are those? Number one, it is a journal line. Okay, you have to make a journal line according to the topic. Second, paraphrasing or rephrasing. Okay, so what is the meaning of paraphrasing? The statement that is given to us in the question, you need to write down the synonyms, you need to paraphrase that statement, okay, in your own wording. So third thing is thesis statement. So now we'll discuss each and everything. So first thing, whenever you have to start writing task 2, you need to write down the starters. You can write down undoubtedly and moreover you can write irrefutably, indubitably. So these all are the starters. Okay, before writing any journal line, first of all you need to mention any one starter from these. Okay, so let's discuss more. Suppose we have written a starter undoubtedly. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to mark comma. It's very important to mark comma, okay, after the starter, and make sure after comma each and every initial must be small. Initials must be small unless it is a perfect noun. Okay, so now first point, is that clear in your mind that you need to write a starter? Hanji. So next step, now we have to make a journal line. So let's have a look on the question. Spoken communication is always more powerful than the written communication. So what would be the journal line for that? Okay, so let's write a very simple journal line. Okay, we can write that undoubtedly communication plays a crucial role in everyone's life. Okay, it is just a normal and a simple journal line. You can make many of the journal lines regarding the question. Okay, it all depend according to the way you use the words, how high vocab do you have. Okay, so next step in the introduction. Second thing, we need to mention, oh sorry, we need to do the paraphrasing of the statement, rephrase the statement. Okay, so how we can do this? So we'll go with the question. So it's the spoken communication is always more powerful than the written communication. So you need to find the synonyms for the different words. You need to just write down that synonyms, and